welcome back to my channel. So, I just hit 61 subs again. I mean not again, but I just hit 61 subs. Yep. I just hit 61 subs. Thank you guys for the support. And I'm with my friend, yeah, Chosen. That handsome guy. I'm playing with him again. He's blue, I'm red. Hey, yes sir. And on 100 subs, guys, I'll do a face reveal. Ah, yo, bro, let me up. Go. Right after my... Bro, how? How did that happen, bro? We're Pepsi and Coca-Cola. Pepsi and Coca-Cola. So guys, if you wanna play with us, just add him and me, or follow me and him. So you can join us whenever we are playing. Going? It's it. Yo, what the? I did not get the pump was there. Yo. That was close. That was close. Hey, bro, want some pie? Kaboom! Yes, Rico. Kaboom. By the way, guys, I just got the 71 subs and 6 the sunny thingy. Yeah. I just got 71 wins. Whee! This game is fun, not gonna lie. You should play it. The name's Something Evil Will Happen. Alright, let's our farm. Hey! I got no sound because there was a copyright in my video. That's why. So, I turned up the volume. This better, bro. Cool sound, right? So, bye guys. That's all for today. Goodbye.